Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make a quick tortilla wrap. I made this as lunch for my kids and they really love it. Over here are the ingredients that I'll be needing. I have my wrap, lettuce, chopped tomatoes, carrots, onion, black pepper, some salt to taste, and also tuna. I'm using tuna for this recipe. You can decide to use chicken, beef, any protein of your choice. As I said, this is a quick one, so I'm using tuna for it. So stay tuned and see how I combine everything together. I transferred the lettuce into a big bowl for easy mixing, added the chopped carrots and then the tomatoes, also the onion, added everything together. Here goes a pinch of salt. After that, I'll add some black pepper to it. Want it to be a little spicy. Mix together very well. Then I open the tuna and add it to the veggies. As I said earlier, you can make use of any protein of your choice, being it chicken, beef, okay, sausage, any one of your choice. So this is a quick one for me, a quick lunch for my kids. So I'm using tuna. Mix until everything combines very well. Then my filling is ready. It's now time for me to start wrapping. I take a generous amount of the veggies, fill it in the wrap, then I wrap it up. I'm going to continue wrapping until I achieve the amount I'm aiming at. As I said, this is a lunch for the family, so I'm wrapping until I'm done. I'm done wrapping, so it's time to heat it up. This is how it looks like after wrapping. I'm going to use this sandwich toaster to heat it up. I'm not doing it directly on the stove. And guys, please, I apologize. From this point, the video freezed up. I didn't know until I was editing this video, and by that time I couldn't do anything about it. So I used this toaster to heat it up. You can do it directly on the stove using the frying pan method, okay? So this is what I used to heat it up and it turned out very good and nicely. If you don't have this one, do it directly on the stove with the frying pan. That one too is very good. You achieve a crunchy wrap, okay? Thank you so much. And this is how the outcome looks like after doing it. This is how it looks like. Very easy and simple and also fast. Okay, your kids will love it, your family will love it. Try it out and enjoy it, okay, as I did. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for understanding. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye bye.
Oh, I knew it's you, yeah.